Hey there, today I would like to share with you the Code Runner extension. Code Runner allows you to run code snippets or files inside VS Code, which can be extremely useful. The extension supports JavaScript, PHP, Python, and other tens of languages. Let's run a JavaScript file and see how it works. To run a file, simply right-click anywhere within the file or press down Ctrl-Alt-N. And the VS Code output console will pop up and display the output of your code. Awesome. We can also run specific lines of code by selecting and running them. And as you can see, this time the output is just the 3 hearts. Let's also run the PHP file just for the sake of this example. We can right-click on the file, run code, and we can see the var dump and also the echo with the 3 hearts. And now let's just run only the 3 echoes. And as you can see, we have a different output. All in all, this is a great extension to have in your quality of life toolbox. And that's all for now. Happy coding!